On the other side of sunset, just a little bit west of nowhere, you'll find a secret Yowasis where things are just the way they ought to be, with the Yowie watching over all.
So, my aspiring young minds, for today's first lesson, I'll need a volunteer.
Oh, pick me! Pick me!
Very good.
Guess he forgot he's a flying squirrel.
Yay! I'm not turtle.
Wait, what'd you do that for anyway?
Today's first lesson. Whenever volunteering, one must always first ask what one is volunteering for. This was a test of gravity. It still works. For our second lesson, I would like you to observe the liquid in this pitcher plant. Then tell me if you think the plant is half empty or half full. The answer to this question relies mainly on whether one is an optimist, seeing the plant as half full, or a pessimist, seeing it as half empty. Let's move along, shall we?
Well, there's only one way to solve this mystery. I think pitcher plants eat meat, right?
Very good.
Okay, pessimist. Major pessimist here.
You see, students, it's important that one uses one's brain before using one's tongue.
Hey!
Now pay attention. We are completely surrounded by the wonders of nature. Take this, for instance.
Yeah? What's so special about this stupid old stick?
Ah, you see, often in nature, things are not as they appear.
Hey, pal, who are you calling stupid?
Ew.
And how'd you like someone to pick their teeth with your butt? You tasted bug butt!
So you see, nature is simply full of surprises.
And bug butts!
Look to your left, for instance. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Now look to your right. Waste not, want not. Nature is full of surprises if we simply open our eyes.
Oh, I have a question.
Yes, young one?
Okay, how do we get to the 7th level of Yow? Like you.
Well, first you must start at the beginning. Use your potagia!
I can't fly! I can't fly! Wait a minute. I can fly! I can fly! I can fly! Whoa! If I ain't flying, I'm dying!
And watch out for trees!
He'll need his crutches.